What are you looking for? Are you okay? I'm right here.
Boot of the week.
I know, I'm right here. Why are you looking in these boxes? Let's go find a boot. All right, it's time for boot of the week. The boot of the week is our NFPA certified hot shot. Not this boot. That will be in another video. It's actually this boot. I mean, hey, you guys already know that we're known for it. This is our NFPA certified hot shot boot. It is fire season. We are pumping these through. If you have not purchased your fire boots for fire season, you better do it now. Duck, duck, duck. Goose. This is the big bonus boot of the week right here. It's our Baby Builder Pro. These boots are incredible. If you haven't seen the video already, go check it out on our YouTube channel. If you have toddlers that are struggling with supination, where their ankles are kind of rolling in as they're toddling, these boots offer Optimum ankle support. They also protect you from Legos, those Lego minefields that you're walking through that just make your kids scream all the time. These soles are definitely Lego proof, so you should check them out. Hey guys, thanks for watching Hot Shots Baby Builder Pros. Go ahead and check out the links in the description below. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm picking a booger, all right?
Glue ball?
That is somebody's chemistry assignment, I think. The best is how it has like a latex